Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching. Today you're going to be watching me do a memory plan with me for the week of October 19th through the 25th in my medium vertical Recollections planner. This is the Practical Magic Kit by Watercolor Designs. If you want to see how I've already pre-planned for the week and I've already laid down these stickers that you're seeing, I will have that video linked down below, or it'll pop up in the cards so you can watch it after this. But this video is going to be where I just go in day by day and fill in all these blank spots in my planner with the stickers from the kit and the other stickers that I have, just to, memory keep with whatever happened that day. So by the way, I do PR with Wild Summer Designs, so make sure you check the description box for my code to save and so you can get my freebie as well. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and take this little flag from the kit, and then this cute little grocery cart from the Give and Girl, because we did have to do a little bit of grocery shopping on Monday. We usually grocery shop on the weekends, but I don't know, for some reason we ended up just doing it on Monday instead. And then I'm going to take a grocery shopping script from Letters to Apollo, but I'm going to cut it because it's meant to be like long, so it fits the whole entire width of the box. And, I have the flag there, so it's not going to fit. So I'm just going to cut it so it'll fit. Then also on Monday, I got a delivery from a shop called Flor del Sol, which actually the owner reached out to me on Instagram and offered to send me a box for free from her shop, which I thought was very sweet and generous. And so I was excited to get that box and then show it on my Instagram and review it, because it was a very beautiful box. It's not on my Instagram anymore, but definitely check out her shop if you want to see the kind of things she offers. It's like a spiritual shop, so she offered me one of her boxes that comes with the candles and a crystal and a cleansing smoke stick kind of thing, like a sage bundle thing, incense and stuff like that. So I was excited to get the box and dig in it. So I used a fun size box from the kit and just wrote in the shop name there, and I'm gonna layer that with a couple of things. I've got this little dot that comes in the kit leftovers, and then I've got my little Cozy Paper Co. Delivery boxes, and that's another shop that I PR for. And then under that, I've got a little transparent dot from the Give and Girl, because I love those transparent dots. And I also wanted to use one of the pretty leaf. It's like a leaf, like a vine, I guess, divider thing from Honey Inked. Because I thought that the vines and the florals and the leaves and stuff would work really, really well with this kit. So I thought I could use a little bit of what is it called? Fawnage, floralness, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Some stuff up there. So I just put that over at the over the top of the fun sized box. I also am going to go in later to decorate it with something, a piece of deco in the kit, which I'm sad I didn't think about it right away. So it kind of took some playing around with for me to make it work. But it definitely works, because there was actually lavender in the spiritual box that she sent me. And this kit has lavender deco. So it was duh, I should have used the lavender deco, but whatever. We're making it work. I am also going to take another thing from Honey Inked, but I don't know. I'm not doing that right now. I'll do it later. You'll see. I think I do it on Tuesday. Anyways, just ignore me. So I'm going to go ahead and grab one of these really skinny boxes from the kit, and I'm going to layer that with a budget script from I don't know where, sorry, because those that sheet was sent to me in some Happy Mail, so I don't know who that shop that is, sorry. But I do know that the $ little bow doodle is from Dash of Sun Designs, so I'm just going to layer budget with the little money icon, because I need to make sure that I update my checkbook after we go grocery shopping, because we, spend a lot of money on groceries. For my gratitude on Monday, I wrote my yogi buddy, because I did yoga on Monday night, and my cat was all over me. It was so adorable how he'll go under my legs and under my arms, and when my head is on the ground, he'll headbutt me with his head. It's so funny, and it's really sweet. So anyways, I was starting off with Tuesday, and then I was like, oh my gosh, look at this deco. There's a sage stick, there's lavender, that would be so perfect to mark the Flor del Sol box, because those things were in that box. And I didn't really like the way that the sage bundle was kind of fitting, so I went with the pretty little bundle of lavender, and I thought it just looked really cute. Anyways, though, moving on to Tuesday, I'm going to take another transparent icon from the Give and Girl, and then a washing machine $1 Wednesday from Cozy Paper Co. Because, oh, and another like dot from the kit too. Because I ended up doing the dishes twice on Tuesday. This is kind of out of order. I meal prepped and then I had to do the dishes twice because I had to like do the dishes beforehand. So I'd start with the clean sink and then I did a lot of meal prep and then I had to do dishes afterwards, and it was really annoying. So it took a lot of my time and I wanted to mark it. But you know, the meal planning was before the dishes, but it just wouldn't fit in that box. So that's why it's out of order. But anyways, yeah, that is a dishwasher icon from Cozy Paper Co. from another $1 Wednesday that she had. So for the meal prep, I'm going to take a half box because, again, it just took a really long time, you know, and one of these adorable little Instant Pot doodles from Wild Summer Designs. I love her. I love any kind of like doodles for a shop, you know, because then they're just so unique. And I love using my Instant Pot. So for the Instant Pot prep, that actually I only prepped one thing in the Instant Pot, but like whatever, you know, it's cute. I love my little Instant Pot doodle. Anyways, so I wrote prep and then I wrote eggs, muffins, and bowls because I did my hard-boiled eggs in the Instant Pot. I did some apple cinnamon muffins for breakfast, and then the eggs and the muffins were breakfast, and then the bowls were like these Southwest quinoa bowls for like lunch. So I did the quinoa in my rice cooker and it comes out perfectly fine. Then I'm going to take a flag from the kit and then a Shop Jessica Hart's like this adorable little fall book. They're these little transparent icons and they got the little pumpkin and they're so cute. Because I was just marking that my husband and I were reading this book called Severed Souls. You might have already known that my husband and I are like reading this series together. And so I just wrote the name of the book because we did a little bit of reading on Tuesday. Well, we kind of read every day, but like, you know, if I don't really have much to mark, then I'll just mark that we read. And then I wanted to put some bows on my icons because I felt like I was lacking bows. So I did a couple of bows from the Simply Watercolor Co sheet. And then I also love these side bows from the Giving Girl too. So I did the one from the Giving Girl over the dishwasher. Because I just love my bows. So that was my Tuesday. For my gratitude, I wrote meal prep because it's just, it's nice to have, you know, like already the food done for you. So when it's time to eat, you're not like, oh no, I have to cook. Oh no, what am I going to eat, you know? Then moving on to Wednesday, I didn't have like a ton of stuff, like room or any whatever to mark, but I thought that I would use this adorable like leaf bowstring pattern box thing from the Giving Girl. They're just so pretty and the color like matches so good with this kit. And so for that, I just wrote that we watched the finale of The Haunting of Bly Manor. So, you know, let me know down below if you've watched it, what you thought of the finale. I don't want to give away anything in case you're watching, but it's very sad and emotional for sure. It was like, once you kind of like change your expectations so you're not thinking that this is going to be scary and creepy like Hill House was, then you just think, oh, this is a really good show, you know? And so that's what I learned after I watched the finale. I was like, my opinion was changed. I was like, this was a good show. It just wasn't, you know, Hill House, and that's fine, you know? It was still a really good show. And I kind of resonated a lot with things that were said by some of the main characters in the season finale, just about grief and like loss and stuff. And it was sad, and I really liked it. And I really loved that little leaf box. Then I just took a quarter box and then an icon from the kit just to mark that I had a DHL delivery on Wednesday. And for my gratitude, I wrote Student of the Month because my son was actually nominated for Student of the Month by one of his teachers. And so Thursday was his special Student of the Month meeting, but Wednesday was the day that we got the email, you know, that he is Student of the Month for one of his classes. So I thought that was really sweet and I was really proud of him. He's working really hard with distance education. And so it's definitely a challenge. For Thursday, I'm going to take a little skinny box from the kit and then a little icon just to mark that we had our bug spray guy come and spray. He just sprays the perimeter of the house just to prevent any bugs from sneaking in, you know, like any little cracks and crevices and stuff. So we don't want any weird outside bugs coming in, or spiders, you know. So that was for the beginning of the day on Thursday. And then the half box at the bottom of the day was just to mark that my son won Student of the Month. And so he had a special meeting after lunch with all of the teachers and the other students that were nominated. And his teacher who nominated him said to be on the lookout for something in the mail for him, just like a little certificate or something. And the principal was there too, and she said that all of the students that got Student of the Month are going to have a big barbecue whenever school somehow comes back into session after COVID, you know? So to decorate it, I used a cute little heart deco from Honey Inked, as well as one of those pretty leaf, flourish things up at the top there. And then I'm going to take a flag from the kit and layer that with some, with an icon, and then the transparent dot from the Giving Girl and a little dot from the kit to mark that. My husband and I went to Dollar Tree. We actually went to Dollar Tree and KFC as well, because every day we go to my son's school and pick up his little school lunch, and they give the kids breakfast and lunch for free while, they're doing distance learning. So we wanted to surprise him. Because his special student of the month meeting was after lunch, we left extra early so we could go to the Dollar Tree to get him a few little prizes and like a little balloon, like a congrats balloon. And then go to KFC for a special lunch instead of the school lunch, because he really loves those famous bowls, with the chicken and the mashed potatoes and the cheese and gravy and stuff and corn. He really loves those bowls, and we don't go there very often just because, my husband and I, we don't eat chicken. So there's not like a whole lot there that we can eat, so we don't really go there a lot. So we just went for him. And then also I'm using a little skinny box from the kit, as well as these tarot cards that are on my freebie from Watercolor Design. So that was a little glimpse of my freebie, because I found out my tarot cards are pretty much ready. I got an update from the shop that they have been finally printed and the boxes are ready. They're going to start getting them ready to ship, and I'm super excited because they are so me and they're so cute. I'm going to haul them on my channel even though they're not planner related, just because you have to see them. They're so cute. Anyways, for my gratitude for Thursday, I wrote closed rings, because on my watch I managed to close all 3 of my apple rings, or whatever they're called. I don't do that all the time, because most of the time the move ring is the hardest one for me. I set my goal to be 550 calories. And so even if I do a half an hour of exercise, it still is not enough activity to burn 500 calories. So the move ring is the hardest for me to get at, but finally I did get it and I was grateful. For my Friday, I'm just using one of these pretty silver long flag things from Sadie Stickers I got from an Oops grab bag. And then one of those, the Giving Girl special boxes. This is this cute pumpkin that just the color, again, just matches perfectly. Anyways, and I'm just using that to mark that I listed and sold something on Mercari, some Simply Gilded washi. I don't like messing with the buy sell trade anymore, because that group just they take a whole week to post my freaking thing. If they even approve it, they always decline it for stupid reasons, and I'm just tired of it. So anyways, find me a Mercari. And then I just had some Happy Mail delivered on Friday, so I'm just going to take another Honey Inked heart and another Giving Girl dot, and the Happy Mail icon, script is from the kit. For Friday, in my gratitude, I wrote Helen's printer. Helen's my mother-in-law, and my printer broke, and so I really needed her printer to print the shipping label for the Mercari shipping label, and so thankfully I was able to go use her printer. Saturday, I'm going to start with a nope, canceled thing over that box there, because we just didn't end up doing that Halloween thing. And just checking off my checklist. For our movies on Saturday, we watched Monsters U with my son, and then after he went to bed, my husband and I watched Silent Hill. And for the Saturday, I was grateful for medical insurance, because why not, right? It's good to have. Pays for our medications. Sunday, I just checked off my checklist, and then speaking of medical insurance, I had to go and pick up my refill for my prescriptions. So I'm just grabbing a skinny box from the kit, and then a refill prescription script from Cozy Paper Co. Again, I PR for her. And then a little pill icon from the kit, just because I had to refill my prescription. Then I'm going to take a flag from the kit and just layer that with a couple more of the same old dots I've been using, as well as one of the package icons from Cozy Paper Co. again, because I needed to drop off some return Happy Mail as well to, just thanks in return for Friday's Happy Mail. And then I have these really pretty side bows from Sadie Stickers, which I got from an Oops grab bag. I recently hauled a bunch of my Sadie Stickers Oops grab bag stuff or whatever from my October haul. The October haul. If you want to see that video, I'll have it pop up in the cards too, or you can just watch that after this. So since I finally hauled her stuff, I was happy to be using it, and these little side bows are just so, I think that hers and the Giving Girl are my favorites. They're just so dainty and cute. Anyways, so that was just for marking my, dropping off some mail. And then for Sunday's gratitude, I wrote family time, because I was happy to, I didn't even do I'm doing the boat later. Never mind. Sorry about that. Because I was happy that we had some family time on Sunday. We actually bought some of our pumpkins from Smith's, because we buy some from the patch, and then we also buy some from the grocery store, because the grocery store is cheaper. So the ones we carve, we like to be really big, and those would be too expensive at the patch, so we got those at the grocery store so we could carve our pumpkins, and it was fun. Anyways, I'm going to take this, you know, viney, leafy stuff from Honey Inked just to like spread around anywhere that I feel like could use a little bit of cute vine, leafy goodness. And then here's the bows from Sadie Stickers. They are so dainty and cute. So those in the Given Girl I think are my favorite ones. And then I'm just going to put some of the deco up at the very top of the planner in the washi, because I had to use like kind of a plain washi up there because I didn't have any colors up there, so I just used the like white washi. And this kit came with so much fun deco. I do like to decorate the top like that whenever I have really adorable deco and not a lot of contrast, then it's pretty fun to do. So I just kind of wish I hadn't put the little grimoire right next to the full box quote box, because they're the same thing where it says I wish for you too. You know what I mean? They're like really close to each other. I wish I'd put that on the other side of the planner, but oh well, whatever. If you don't look too hard, and then it doesn't bother me too much. I'm just going to cut off anything hanging over that is excess, and then that's it for this plan with me, or memory plan with me, whatever. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, because I really appreciate your support. It really helps me out, and I'm super grateful for it. Be sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. I upload 2 to 3 videos a week, so you will see me regularly if you're subscribed. And be sure, if you have a question about anything, just leave me a comment down below, or if you just want to chat and say hi, I will say hi back. I respond to all of my comments because I love chatting with you guys and I love that you're here. All right, y'all, I hope that you take care, stay safe, stay spooky, have a wonderful rest of your week, and I will see y'all in my next video. Take care. Bye.